artificial intelligence is a system we've been hearing a lot about these days, but what is it and where did it come from? Our Sedona Meadows joins us live. And Sedona, I hear you spoke with an expert. What did you find out?
Well, Kanisha, what's really interesting about artificial intelligence is that for years we've been creating and improving problem-solving tools, but the modern-day AI system has been built differently.
AI, short for artificial intelligence, has been a big topic of conversation lately. It's a type of machine that uses algorithms to make decisions. According to Dr. Matt Lease, a professor at the School of Information at the University of Texas at Austin, AI is a concept that started years ago.
In the Cold War, for instance, we might have been trying to translate Russian documents into English, and people wrote down a lot of rules about how they thought, AI should behave. When we used to build systems that way for artificial intelligence, they were very brittle. They didn't cover all the cases, and they didn't handle sort of uncertainty or sort of probabilities.
The way we collect data now has greatly evolved.
What we do now today is we ask experts or people in general, in a given specific situation, what should the right answer be? And we collect lots and lots of these kinds of examples from people and let the computer worry about sort of generalizing the patterns.
ChatGPT is one of these large language models that understand language and turn it into text.
If you've watched a lot of TV and I say the phrase Monday night, you can kind of fill in the blank football, just because we've heard this so many times. So these large language models, they've just read all the text on the web. And so they're very good at sort of seeing patterns of words following from one another. They don't really know anything. They're not intelligent, but they've just seen patterns.
Systems like Siri and Alexa are considered AI, but are more restricted, so they don't do something inappropriate or dangerous.
So we're really sort of in this exciting and challenging time right now about trying to take advantage of the enormous capability of these models, but put appropriate guardrails and safeguards on them.
The way we use AI within the workplace and in education continues to be up for debate. And Dr. Lease says creating ethical AI systems is extremely important.
When we think about how is it that we're going to make these AI systems responsible, ethical in the future, we can't just turn it over just to technologists to solve this for us. I think we really do need to have that kind of broad approach and really get a collective societal engagement in these issues.
And Dr. Lease says the University of Texas at Austin has been bringing together different people across the university to work on AI systems, as they feel you need to have a broad diversity of perspectives in order to create ethical and responsible AI models.